Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with the numericals which are based on mirror formula. So to start with the numericals, the first thing we require is the formulas to solve the numericals. So the first formula is mirror formula, which is 1 upon u plus 1 upon v is equal to 1 upon f, and second formula is the formula for magnification, that magnification is equal to hi upon ho. So here are the formulas. Mirror formula, which is 1 upon u plus 1 upon v is equal to 1 upon f, and formula for magnification, m is equal to hi upon ho, and m is also equal to minus v upon. Sign of conventions, we are going to find out that how these sign of conventions are applicable in a given numerical. So let us start with one of the diagram given over here. We need to find out what will happen to the u, v and f, how we are going to take their signs. So let us start with the first part, that is object. When we start taking the distance of the object, according to the sign of convention, it has to be taken from the pole. So start from the pole and move in this direction. Now you know that all the distances should be measured from pole. That is the first sign of convention. And secondly, the distances which are measured to the left of the convex mirror or concave mirror should be taken as negative. Hence the value of u, that is the distance measured from the pole to the object, should be taken as negative. So the first sign will be u will be taken as negative. Come to v now. V is the distance of the image from the pole. So started from the pole. Now you can see from pole, if you start toward the image, take the distance from pole toward where the image is formed, it has to be taken as negative again, according to the sign of conventions. What about f? The focal point. Focal length also is starting from pole and moving towards the left of the concave mirror here. Hence, it also has to be taken as negative. So we are going to start with the numerical problem. The first numerical is an object is placed 10 cm from a concave mirror. The focal length is 5 cm. Determine the image distance. That is what we have to find out. Let us start with the answer now. Given to us is object is placed 10 cm from the concave mirror. Therefore, the value of u, that is the distance of the object from the mirror, is given to you as 10. Now, according to sign of conventions, the distance of the object has to be taken as negative. Therefore, it will be minus 10. Now, the focal length of the mirror is given to you as 5 cm. In case of concave mirror, to start with the focal length, we have to start from the pole. So from the pole towards the focus, the focal length will be taken as negative. Distance of the image we need to find out, that is the value of v is required here. Using the formula 1 upon u plus 1 upon v equal to 1 upon f, we will be getting the value of 1 upon v, which is equal to 1 upon f minus 1 upon u. Now put the values given to you. So 1 upon v is equal to 1 upon minus 5 minus 1 upon minus 10. Solve it and get the value of v from here. So v will be equal to minus 10 centimeter. Second numerical is a 5 centimeter high object is placed in front of a concave mirror with a radius of curvature of 20 centimeter. Determine the image height if the object distance is 5 centimeter. Let us start with the answer now. Given to you is height of the object, which is equal to 5 centimeter, and also radius of curvature. Radius of curvature is given to you as 20 centimeter. To find out the focal length, we all know that focal length is equal to half of the radius of curvature. That means r by 2. So the value of f comes out to be minus 20 divided by 2, which is equal to minus 10. Now what you have to find out is determine the image height. So height of the image you need to find out, but to get the height of the image, if the object distance is 5 centimeter, first of all we need the value of u and v if we want to find out the height of the image using the formula of magnification. So let us find out first the value of v. According to the mirror formula, 1 upon u plus 1 upon v equal to 1 upon f, we will be getting the value of 1 upon v by using all these values above. Value of V already we have calculated, therefore we need to calculate the value of M now, magnification. We know according to the formula M is equal to minus V upon U. Put the value of V which we have just now calculated, V equal to 10. Now putting the value of V here equal to 10 and putting the value of U here equal to minus 5, we will get magnification equal to 2. Now this magnification is coming out to be positive. Positive sign shows that the image is upright. Now, another formula for magnification is M is also equal to HI upon HO. We have the magnification which we have calculated here. We have HO, that is the height of the object. By using these two values, we can get the value of HI, that is height of the image. So, height of the image comes out to be 5. That is the value of height of the object into 2. 2 is the magnification here. So HI will be equal to 5 into 2. Cross multiply them and you will be getting value equal to 10 centimeter. So height is equal to 10 centimeter. This is what we have to calculate. Now question number 3 is for your practice. Given to you is a 5 centimeter high object is placed in front of a concave mirror with a radius of curvature of 20 centimeter. Determine the image height if the object distance is 15 centimeter, 20 centimeter and 30 centimeter. This is similar to what we have done just now. Coming to the next numerical, that is a concave mirror has a radius of curvature of 24 centimeter. If the object is placed 20 centimeter in front of the mirror, then determine the properties of the image. Here they are talking about the image properties, whether the image formed is enlarged or real or virtual. That is we need to find out. Now to find out all these things, what we need is, and what is given to us, let us find it out. Now radius of curvature is given to us, that is equal to 24. We know that this mirror is concave mirror, hence radius of curvature should be taken as negative according to the sign of convention. Object is placed 20 centimeter in front of the mirror, therefore the value of U is also given to you, and you know that U is always taken as negative, so this value is minus 20. Hence you are getting focal length by using the value of radius of curvature, that is focal length is equal to minus r by 2. Put the value of r which is equal to 24 and get the value of focal length, that is minus 24 by 2 equal to minus 12 centimeter. Object distance is given to you minus 20 centimeter. Using the formula of mirror, that is 1 upon u plus 1 upon v is equal to 1 upon f, we can get the value of 1 upon v. Once you have got the value of 1 upon v, that is equal to 2 upon minus 60. Get the value of v by reversing the order, that is v will be equal to minus 60 divided by 2, that is equal to minus 30. So now value of V we have calculated, that is equal to minus 30 centimeter. Now what does it tells us? That V is coming negative. What does it mean? That the image formed is real and it is inverted. V is coming negative means the value of image or the image is placed to the left of the concave mirror. To the left of the concave mirror means what type of image will be formed? It will be real and inverted. Just remember your ray diagrams. From your ray diagrams it will be clear to you that the image forming is negative. That means it is coming to the left of the concave mirror, hence it will be real and inverted. Is the image formed enlarged or is it upright or inverted? Can be found with the help of the magnification. We know the formula for magnification is minus v upon u. If we put the value of v here, which is coming out to be minus 30, so minus and minus becomes plus and u is minus 20 here, and the answer for magnification now is minus 1.5. Now 1.5 shows that the image formed is larger than that of the object. How many times larger? 1.5 times larger. So image formed is enlarged. One of the property we already have found, that the image formed is enlarged. Now what does this negative sign shows to you? Negative sign means that the image formed is inverted, it's not erect. So the properties are that image formed is real, it is inverted and it is enlarged. Practice on your numerical part, students. It is very important for your numericals to understand first about the ray diagrams and also the sign of conventions. Without sign of conventions, your numerical will not come accurate. So please practice again and again the sign of conventions. Thank you.